How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you. So I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply this method. So here, let's open your favorite browser. Then let's go to Google Maps and wait for it to load. And then go to the search of Google Maps and type the United States. That's the country we are going to target in today's explanation. And here, let's wait for it to load. You can zoom in on the states to choose the city you are going to concentrate on, or the city. So here, let's choose, for example, I don't know, we can choose Wyoming or Nebraska. Let's choose Nebraska in here. And let's zoom in on a city. Let's zoom in on Manhattan. Here, let's zoom in. And that's it in here. Then let's go to the search again. Let's remove the United States and let's type any kind of small business we'd like to search for. But before that, we are going first to talk about the three main services we are going to offer these business owners. So the first service is the website creation. So we are going to offer to create websites for them. So if they don't have one, we are going to offer to create it for them. And if they already have a website, we are going to check the website to see if it's up to date or not. If it's old, we are going to offer to renovate that website. And the second service we are going to offer them is the bad reviews removing. So we are going to check if they have any bad reviews in their website, in their Google Maps profile, and then we will offer to remove them. And the second service is the social media accounts managing. So we are going to check if they have any social media, and if they have so, we are going to check if they have someone managing them for them. So here, let's search for a small business, for example, like plumbers. Here, let's go with plumbers to see the profiles in the platform. Here, those are all a lot of plumbers in the area. And this is the first one, the hard plumbing, heating and cooling. So guys, we will not just go and reach out to every profile out there or every plumber. We are going to be picky to find the most profiles with the highest rate of working with us. So in order to do that, make sure to always pay attention to what's written in the profile, the reviews, and if they have any sponsored written in the top of their website. So guys, if they have a sponsored written in here, make sure to avoid those, and the ones with more than 150 reviews, also make sure to avoid those. Make sure always to focus on the ones with less than 150 reviews. So for example, this is a perfect profile for us. So let's go to this profile, and here let's scroll down to see if they have a website. This is their website, and it looks very old. As you can see, this is an old website that we can make a lot of renovations to. This is the stuff. So here you can see that the website is very old, just from the colors, the design. And this is where you can schedule online by calling them, or you can schedule here. And this is videos about them, plumbing. Save $20 on any plumbing or drain cleaning service. So this is their coupons. Experts in plumbing, drains and water cleanup, open and available. So the first service we can offer them is the website renovation. Then let's scroll down to see if they have any bad reviews that we can offer to remove. Here you can see that they have some 1-star reviews, so let's look for those. Click on more reviews. Those 1-star reviews are very helpful. They're helpful in helping you convince the business owner to purchase your service, because if you take a screenshot of some kind of bad review like this one and talk about the negativities of having a bad review in your profile, they would be pretty convinced to work with us. So here the drain cleaning was still under a 6-month warranty, but I was told this warranty with about 2 months left was cancelled at this last visit because the technician had to bring in a heavier, more powerful drain cleaning machine. There apparently was a cloth of some type in the central line. I was then charged an $390 additional fee, which as senior with a husband with dementia I definitely can't afford, but I had no choice because the tech told me he would not clear the line if I didn't pay up right then. So this is a complaint about the price of their services, but I don't think we can consider this as a bad review like something else, but we can use it. Let's scroll down to see if we can find another bad one. Had the problem already diagnosed and opened a drain trap in the basement. Tick ran an auger through a straight pipe about 8 feet and clog was cleared along with my wallet. $230 for a 3-minute job. Tick was quickly out the door, whistling all the way to the bank. So this is another complaint about the money that they paid. Same thing with the first one. So that means it's a really serious problem. So if we take a screenshot of these 2 reviews for about the same problem and we just send them to the owners saying that these 2 bad reviews are giving them very bad reputation in the market, if you would like to remove them, we can do that for $100. Then you can get paid $100 and then you will go to Fiverr.com, because as I said in the beginning, you won't need to deliver any service yourself. You will just outsource the work to other people. So here we will come to Fiverr.com and we will find a freelancer that is going to deliver that service for only $25, and we would get to keep $75 in our pocket without learning a skill or without applying it. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.